Mutaratara uyu uratwarithio ni ikundi cia Global Cleft Charity na Smile Train aria manyitanire na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru gatagati ka anyiti itemi angi. Kuringana na Ndagitari Kennedy Koech, uria ni murigitani thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta guku Nairobi, ciana nyingi iria ciatukite iromo na kini ni ciaiguaga thoni riria ciraikarania na andu aria angi na kaingi kwaga guthie thukuru.
This particular camp that we are holding now serves two purposes. The first one is to offer services to the public, to the patients, at no fee to them, and the second one is for training purposes. So we have some trainees who are based in this hospital and probably other hospitals in the region, as well as other surgeons also who are probably not very familiar with these cleft surgeries.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa thibitari ya Meru Teaching and Referral James Kirimi augete mwaka-ini wa 2019 ikundi itare cia githirikari ni ciateithiriirie hanene hari kurugamirira thogora urigiti uyu o hamwe kuhe aria merutire indo cia kuhuthira riria me wira-ini.
Twambiritie narua na twina daktari wetu bakuma Meru level 5 na daktari bakuma Kenyatta National Hospital na daktari bakuma Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. Tugwatanirite tukambiria narua kwita njuma tukwenda kugita surgeries cia twana tutu turatuciaragwa twina thina yu tukugania cleft na twikinya njuma tukwithigira tukwitite surgeries nguruki ya 40 nikenda twana tutu tatumba gutetheka na kambuge kiria ciari barabenja partnership iji twina twangari twi Meru County Government na Smile Train.
Kambuni ya Royal Media Services ni imwe ya anyiti itemi hari mubango-ini wa kurigita aria mena wathe wa gwatuka iromo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Njoki wa Njoroge.